Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
We are in THURCROFT Cemetery. (130100867), Lance Corporal James Bailey, Royal Pioneer Corps, died 1st of July 1947, age 53. (4692798), Private Ernest Barber, died 10th of June 1940. Also found Albert E Bloor, Lance Corporal, 2nd Leicester Regiment, passed away August 4th 1937, aged 24. ALEC Frank Clayton, fireman and trimmer, killed in action January 31st 1944, aged 26.
Was in the Merchant Navy and in early 1944 was a fireman and trimmer on the steamship Caleb Sprague. On the 30th of January 1944 it formed part of convoy sailing from Southend to St Helens. The convoy consisted on 10 merchantmen and 7 escorts. The Caleb Sprague was carrying a cargo of 2,500 tons of steel and timber to Newport. The convoy would be passing through the infamous E-boat alley, a popular hunting ground of German fast attack boats out of Calais. During the night the convoy pressed slowly passing Beachy Head. The 3 Tree-class armed trawlers Walnut, Pine and Blackthorn in the front of the convoy on mine-sweeping duties, clearing the path for the merchant vessels behind. A radar operator on the Sussex shore spotted 10 new plots on his screen headed straight for the convoy, which was doing 7 knots. The new blips on his radar were heading for the convoy at 40 knots, and it could mean only one thing: a pack of E-boats was hunting and had found the convoy. Splitting into 2 groups, they encircled the convoy and began to fire torpedoes at the advancing merchant vessels. One group of E-boats attacked the center of the convoy, and in the ensuing melee the Caleb Sprague was hit and sunk, killing ALEC Frank Clayton. Another ship was also sunk, and one of the escort ships was also hit and sank later. The E-boat seemed content with their 3 kills and left as quickly as they had arrived.
We are at All Saints Church, LAUGHTON-EN, MORTHEN. (3065715) Aircraftman 2nd Class Donald BRODDLE, died 10th of June 1945, age 18. One 047540 CYRIL Woodward, Aircraftman 2nd Class, died 21st of October 1941. We are in St John the Baptist Churchyard, THROAPHAM. (4747742) Private William Henry GURNER, died 20th of April 1940. (1108689) Gunner Arthur Frederick Henry Cherry, died 13th of August 1946. (3725370) Private J. FINNEY, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 12th of January 1919, aged 22. We are in Dinnington Church Cemetery. "572-871, Flight Sergeant Harold Ames, Flight Engineer, Royal Air Force, died 25th of February 1945, aged 23.
After leaving school he joined the Royal Air Force Service and entered RAF Halton for apprentices in January 1938 and graduated in March 1940. After training as a flight engineer, he was posted to 49 Squadron of Bomber Command in July 1943. On the 25th of February, 1945, he was part of the crew flying a brand new Lancaster, which had only been delivered to the squadron on the 9th of February. 3:05, the aircraft took off on a training flight to demonstrate three-engined landing over chutes. Only a mere 10 minutes had elapsed before the Lancaster crashed from 300 feet. The airspeed was allowed to drop below the three-engined safety speed, which caused the left wing to fall, and consequently the aircraft became out of control. It was evident that the pilot had stalled while trying to lift a wing at too low an airspeed.
"944-309, leading aircraftman Bertram Ash, Royal Air Force, died 15th of August 1940, aged 22.
At around lunchtime on Thursday the 15th of August, 1940, a huge force of Luftwaffe aircraft were assigned to attack the airfields in Yorkshire. The attacking Luftwaffe force involved around 50 Junkers aircraft detailed to attack Driffield Airfield. The attacking force crossed the Yorkshire coast in the Rayton area of East Yorkshire. Between Filey and Bridlington, having been partly intercepted by aircraft of 616 Squadron and 73 Squadron near Bridlington and were split from one large group. Some of the enemy dropped their bombs over Bridlington and one aircraft headed north and attacked Scarborough. The main force, now around 30 aircraft, were seen to fly west towards Garton-on-the-Wolds, then they turned back towards Driffield Airfield to make their attack from the northwest. The attack lasted for around 45 minutes with them dropping around 100 bombs on the aerodrome and the surrounding area. It was in this attack that Bertram received his fatal injuries.
"626-734, Sergeant Joseph Henry Dowley, wireless operator, air gunner, Royal Air Force, died 23rd of September 1940. "2390, Private Joseph Gregory, Notson Sherwood Rangers, died 24th of November 1914. "4801447, Private F. Phillips, the Lincolnshire Regiment, died 5th of July 1946, aged 29. "5051902, Private Edwin ADSHEAD, died 25th of September 1941. Also found F.O. Herbert Richardson, RAF, reported missing, presumed killed, June 7, 1944, aged 26. "3001263, Private Gavin ELLIOTT, 2nd Battalion, the Mercian Regiment, died 3rd of September 2009, aged 19.